just bounce with me, just bounce with me. Everybody now, just bounce with me. It's like vocally we roasting cheese, probably more than we supposed to be. Aroma free, you close to me. Can I have so long you been smoking weed? Token leaf, I told to be. Mad outcome you hope to see. I'm Spider-Man, you Peter Park, you on the bench, and I'm a starter. I'm rocky. It's alone, you punk ass quick, and I'm home alone. You wanna be G, I'm Al Capone, you off the grid, I'm in the zone. Y'all laying line, homie, I'm a mobile phone. All they dropping bombs, but you never blown. So you know my flow is like the purest form of coke. It'll get you really high, still is deadly, bro. Give him much smoke, cause you probably will get hooked. Cause it's illegal to be the seal, so you will get hooked. Yeah, and it's a fact. I'm MP3 plus HRV on the track. And I got stacks, starring King Kong, digging I'm strapped. More than I'm the name of the Marines and I'll attack with the rat tat tat to bullets down your back. Then I'll go and pay for women to sit on my lap at a nightclub. Cause I can afford it. Some more deadly than abortion. It's hotter than a Forbes. Skinny jeans, bandana, long hair for a corporate. Do word, check the chore list. I'm getting this money. It's extortion, of course, is that I'm just raw. To your moms on a really nice day, then I call. I'm like Jordan in his prime. Cause I bought this, I'm great like China. Hand this swap and you can't get over me. If I go and dump you, put your money against mine. And I will Donald Trump you. I stump you like Jeopardy. The price is where you're blessed to be. And my motherfucking presents. Why? Cause every December 25th, I fly all around the world and give out presents. Bitch. But not really. Like, that was a joke. I don't do any of that. But this is real. I think from now on I'll hold you a little closer to me when I know you can't see all the beauty we have found in this world of broken things. I'll take you up in my arms, give you a protection they can offer. Your kiss, it belongs to my lips. Your whisper in my ear, there's no feeling I can give. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way, no way, no way. I think from now on, I'll insist I know your thoughts and voice. Cause we always have a choice to hear one another or to speak into the void. No more, no more, I will not do this anymore. No more, no more. Yo, so you let me see the posse. You spent your whole life trying to hide, don't know why. My beloved, it's alright, I will be a secret keeper. If you promise you'll be mine, show you all these demons that I keep locked up inside. Trying to hide, you say it's fine. Even lying, even trying. So let them out disguise of what surprises that we find it. The light of the sun rises, the light of the sun rises for that is what you are. I make my home on the horizon. Yeah, make my home on the horizon. 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 I think from now on, I'll insist you know your worth. Cause a curse whisper to you first, but love covers all and we'll have the final word. Love will have the final word. Love will have the final word. Cause the dream never said to the dreamer, why did you dream me this way? And the pie never said to its maker, why was I formed from clay? Question the river, down the scars it is laid. Still we learn best from the sun, yeah. Who says to sound is made? Yo, so when Eve ate the apple, we first disagree. All developed in distaste for how we say. Reflection in the pond of the eyes of our own brothers. We long for some more, so we feel cool around each other. So when we live ways, when we're clapping on the face, up beside the fat off, still fit out of shape. Be ashamed of these flaws that been told by society. Trying to fit the same demo, but made us for varieties. Yeah, we need to quit disguising. Culture has been lying, and we ain't conceived with beauty till we learn to stop hiding. Cause the dream never said to the dreamer, why did you dream me this way? said to his maker, why was I formed from clay? Though the valley don't question the river, bound the scars it is laid. Still we learn best from the sun, yeah. Who says to sound is made? 'Cause it rises, it rises, it rises, and it falls back again. It don't cry, it don't cry, it don't cry no more. It rises, it rises again. I know a girl knows a number of every calorie in her stomach, and if she thinks about it too much, she's throwing every last one of them up. And I know a boy who's lost in between what he feels, what he been told. Loves his girl, but her body's not been airbrushed, the Photoshop. So he stays a blade while she lays a bed, makes a contradiction when he said that she is all he wants. And she hates herself 'cause she knows she's not enough. Yo, y'all looking in the mirror with disgusting fear. It's amazing on reflection can appear so unclear. Baby, you need to know you're beautiful. It's an idea you gotta get used to. Hold on to let me lose you. The truth can be confusing. Media is a metaphor with optical illusions. And distorted sizes we love but we despise them. Rise up, let the sun go, don't let them kill you shining. 'Cause they stole from my sister and they crippled my mother. Made most of womankind feel threatened by each other. But it don't have to be that way. Keys to love, what they told you must change. For people like us, the best love that we know how to give really doesn't amount to all that much, but you're always welcome to it. I will kiss your scars, remind you again that you now know love. Where you once knew pain, I will hold your hand until the last moon wanes. If it comes to it, I will love in vain. You're as foolish as I, still you love the worst of me. I return what I can with love's grace. We're clean, we will dance in the rain all night and day. In my arms you must stay, for there is no other way. To be warm when it's cold, I'll be a shelter from the storm. If you trust in my arms, together we will find a home. I'd stake my life on this love, for this love is now my life. All good comes from above, my darling, she shines in the light. Oh, oh. I can't complete me, but damn if you were able, I'd be put together like a puzzle on the table. Then I can't complete you, but damn right I'll keep trying. So damn we keep colliding, but damn I let you smile even enough to let you go so that you can fly away. I figure love is freedom, so I stopped trying to make you stay. But I might ask you to, if it feels like something I have to do. So some days I'm grasping you, but I'm only grasping half of you, and you're only grasping half of me. Both miss the complexities of one another, so I guess I just let you breathe. Yeah, I guess I just let you breathe. Yeah, guess I just let you breathe. I will kiss your scars, remind you again that you now know love. Where you once knew pain, I will hold your hand until the last moon wanes. If it comes to it, I will love in vain. You're as foolish as I, still you love the worst of me. I return what I can with love's grace. We're clean, we will dance in the rain all night and day. In my arms you must stay, for there is no other way. To be warm when it's cold, I'll be a shelter from the storm. If you trust in my arms, together we